morning to one and all. I, Aparna here, continue the lesson 4 in maths, that is subtraction. In the previous class, you had a recall of this operation. Today, we require to continue the practice of subtraction sums with larger numbers. Actually, there is no difference whether you do subtraction with smaller numbers or with larger numbers, except one needs to have little more patience and little more concentration while operating the larger numbers. So, let us start with the facts of subtraction. Subtraction is nothing but to remove or to take out or to decrease a number from a given number, and what is left over, that gives you the answer of the subtraction. So we can say that during subtraction process, one number is taken out from another number to get some leftover number. Each number in a subtraction sum has a special name. For example, if 402 is subtracted from 853, the leftover is 451. In this subtraction sum, 853 is minuend, 402 is subtrahend, and 451, that is the difference, is the result of the subtraction. So, the number from which we subtract is the minuend. The number that is subtracted is called the subtrahend. The leftover number, that is the result of subtraction, is called the difference. You can also say that this difference is the gap between the two numbers, that is minuend and subtrahend. Here one more thing, that this minuend and subtrahend may be same, subtrahend may be 0. Now, this fact is used in 3 different ways. Minuend minus subtrahend gives you difference. Minuend minus difference gives you subtrahend. And minuend itself is the sum of difference and subtrahend. Once you have understood what the subtraction is, you need to understand how this operation is processed. If you are getting smaller numbers, you can do them orally too. But if you are getting larger numbers, it is not so easy to get the answer orally. So, we need to arrange the digits of the numbers in columns. Those columns are nothing but the places in which the digits are placed according to their place. So, here 6,54,082 and 4,21,052. So the digits 2, 8, 0, 4, 5 and 6 of minuend are placed at ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs places respectively. In the same way, the digits of subtrahend. Now, you need to start the subtraction process. So we will start from the smallest place, that is ones. So 2 subtracted from 2, 0. 5 taken out from 8, 3. 0 from 0, 0. 1 from 4, 3. 2 decreased from 5, 3. And so 4 from 6 gives 2. So it is very simple. But you may get the numbers in which the digits of minuend is smaller than the digit of same place in subtrahend. In that case, the situation is quite different. You need to regroup the digits. How? See in the given examples. The minuend is 6,75,032. It is written above the subtrahend, which is 2,57,014. We will start subtracting from the very ones place. So 4 is needed to be taken out from 2. That is not possible. So what you will do, this 2 will borrow 1 from its next bigger place digit, that is 3. So 3 will give 1 to 2, and since 3 is at 10th place, so that 1 will become 10, and 10 plus 2, 12, 12 minus 4, 8, and this 3 itself has become 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 0, 0. Again 5 is smaller than 7, it will borrow 1 from its digit of its bigger place 7, and then 10 plus 5, 15, minus 7, 8. That 7 has become 6, 6 minus 5, 1, 6 minus 2, 4. And when you will look the slide carefully, you can understand in a better way how this decomposing or regrouping or borrowing process is done. Once you have completed your subtraction and you have got the difference, but now you are puzzled whether I did the sum correct or incorrect, and no one is there besides you to check what you did. No problem. You can check on your own how the difference you got, add that to the subtrahend of your question. What answer you are getting means what sum you are getting for your subtrahend and difference. If that sum equals the minuend, clap, clap, the subtraction process is correct. If it is not equal to the minuend, then you have to go back. At first, check whether the number you copied, that is right or not. Whether the addition you did, that is correct or not. If all these are correct, then go back to the subtraction you did. Whether you did any mistake while doing subtraction process. And now you can check again by the process given. And finally you will get that you did the subtraction right. So you have understood how to check your sum on your own. Here in this slide, I gave you one question to get the difference as well, to check what you did in subtraction process. Is that right or not? So start. By now you got how to do addition as well as how to do subtraction. Means a case of mixed addition and subtraction. So in this case, the first and the foremost rule is that you need to first add and then subtract. Now, in the question given, you may find more than one operations. Means you can see the symbol of plus also and minus also. So the number before which the symbol minus is given, that number is to be subtracted. The number before which the symbol plus is given, that number is to be added. But you may find that a number written in the beginning, before that there is no symbol. So what to do? It is understood that the hidden symbol is plus. So any number before which no symbol is given means that number is to be added. Now here in first example, 15 plus 12 minus 21. So 15 and 12 are to be added and 21 to be subtracted. So 15 plus 12, 27, minus 21, 6, the simplest one. In the next example, 24 minus 20 plus 16. It doesn't mean that you will subtract 20 from 24 first. No. Remember, first add, and the numbers which are to be added are 24 and 16. So 24 and 16 gives you 40. Then subtraction. 40 minus 20, the answer is 20. Similarly, 432 minus 276 plus 104. 432 plus 104, 536. 536 minus 276 will give you 260. So in this way, you have understood how can you do addition and subtraction together. That is all for the day, children. You have learned what the subtraction process is, how this is processed, as well as how to check the subtraction sum and how to do addition and subtraction together. So thank you very much for listening, and along with this you are getting 3 questions. One in online form, another is a worksheet, and third is a game form. So kindly you will complete each of them well in time, and I am hopeful enough that you will complete it. So have a nice day. Bye bye.